Want this? Follow my steps. First, add a gun and sword from the toolbox. Then copy, delete, and paste into starter pack. Then add a script. In Starts or Player Scripts. The script is in my Discord server link in bio. You can customize the gun and sword.